Hey guys, it's Jin here. I know this video isn't like super high quality, but I just don't have the time to do 4 hours of video editing per video. So I'm just going to share my thoughts, honestly, and maybe do some of these. Let's just start with credit cards and credit scores today. Some thoughts that have been on my mind. And question is, do credit scores matter? And if so, how do we get a good credit score? First off, credit scores only matter if you plan on taking on more debt in your future. And for most of us who want a house, who do not yet have a house, then that is the case. But there is also the idea of, oh, you can manually underwrite to get into a home. So you don't need a credit score, which is true. What happens when you don't have a credit score and you go to apply for a home mortgage is they will arbitrarily assign you a credit score of 650. And then you get an interest rate accordingly. So yes, you can go through life without a credit score to get a home mortgage. I personally am not going to take on any debt for any other thing besides a home mortgage because I only wish to go into debt for appreciating assets, not depreciating assets. So that includes cars. I personally prefer to pay cash for them. But there's the idea of, do you need to take on more debt in order to increase your credit score? And the answer is no. It is a myth. Yes, taking out a loan, let's say someone took out a loan on a car, yes, you will have a temporary boost in credit. And the reason for this is you are showing another open line of credit where you are using it wisely or paying it off on time. However, if you have a credit card that you never use and it just sits there, technically that's an open line of credit. And open lines of credit is what increases your credit score as long as you are 1, paying your payments on time, 2, don't have any derogatory marks, and 3, stay under 10% of your credit limit. And there are a couple other ones like how many credit accounts you have open, and then the last one obviously is longevity, how long you've had that account for. So when it comes to like a car loan, yes, your credit score will go up during the time of the car loan, but as soon as you finish paying off that car, that credit history disappears. It's as if it never happened. It goes off your credit report and you will have the same score as if you had never gotten a car loan in the first place because it's a closed account. It's gone. So yeah, credit scores only apply to open lines of credit. So for a home mortgage, you're going to have an open line of credit for 30 years. As soon as you pay it off, your credit score is gone. As long as you have at least one remaining open line of credit, then you'll have a credit score. So if you can get to a point where your house is paid off, you're doing fine financially, and you don't plan on taking any more debt in the future, and you've saved enough money for any emergencies, then you technically don't need any line of credit or any credit score in general.